Welcome to Emax India. As there is very little time right now, due to this, students institutes do not have enough time to provide students ID card. So today Emax has brought a solution for all of you through which you can provide students ID card in few easy clicks. And when students wear these ID cards around their necks, your center will be also look professional, and at the same time it will be also as an advertisement for your institute. For this, firstly you have to open Emax website and go on center login. When you click on center login, you will receive a dashboard page here. On dashboard page, you have to click on student option. When you click on student option, as you can see, there is a complete total list of students here. You have to select that student which you want to provide ID card. As we select here two students, after that you have to click on print student ID card. When you click on that one, you will receive two options here, format 1 and format 2. In format 1, you will receive complete details of your institute on student's ID card, and in format 2, you will receive complete details with you and with Emax education details. So, suppose we are selecting format 1 here. In this format 1, as you can see, students complete your institute complete details are there with your institute name, district, state, your license code, student course name with their father name, and as you can see, the certificates are student ID cards are valid for 2 years, and there are also available scan code here. So through the scan code, you can verify students complete details from here. Then you have to click on download PDF option, and after that you can print and provide to your students these ID cards. You also can provide in one time 8 to 10 students ID card through this option. After this, when you select all these options, when you provide them certificates, you have to click on back button. Then you will receive page of student list again. As there is option, you can see clear selection. You have to select this option then, so that in future whenever you select your new students for their ID cards, the all students will not select it by default. If you do not select this option, this last student you selected, these are by default shown in second time as well. So today, as we learn how we can provide student ID card through your admin panel. So just like that, if you have any feedback or update about your panel, please share with them with us. Your feedback helps Emax India get better. Thank you.